Hello and welcome to the email marketing video series. This is the second video in the series, so if you haven't watched the first one, so please go back and watch it. The link is in the description below. Also, if you don't have your Systeme.io account, get yours now for free. The link is as well is in the description. And I highly recommend that you go and you download my email marketing campaign and the lead magnet before we start this training. In previous video, we managed to create a squeeze page and collected our first lead. And I believe by now you have already imported my campaign into your account. If you haven't done so, please go to the link below and import the campaign. So let's see what we have imported. Open emails and campaign. This is the campaign that we have imported. If you open the campaign, you will find that I have 10 emails on this campaign. So the first email, let's click on the first one. So the first email, you see all the details here. What I suggest is you change the offering to your offering. Okay, write whatever you want, and you need as well to change the link here to your sales page. Okay, so you just highlight, click on link and put your sales page. A nice feature is that you can send the emails in sequence. So what I will do is I will have this email to be the first email sent. Okay, so nothing before it, no delay. Okay, and if you check the next email, you will find out, of course we need to do the same, all the changes, and you'll find out that this email will be sent after the first one, and you can find as well that's going to be 1 day delay after this email. What will happen is if we go back, of course you need to put your name as a sender. If you go back, you will find out that those emails are in sequence. So what will happen is immediately after somebody subscribed, they will receive the first email, then a day later they will receive the second, and then every day they will receive another email for the next 10 days. What I suggest is to create a welcome email. Let's try to create the welcome email. Welcome to my newsletter, and put your name as a sender. Okay, great. And I suggest always use the classic editor, not the visual editor, to reduce the chances that you're being flagged as spam. Save, and now you can create the welcome email. So I would say, hey, I would choose the first name, and then you can put whatever you want. Welcome to my newsletter. Yeah, let's start with thank you for downloading. Thank you for downloading my blah 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 blah, which is your lead magnet, and then welcome to my newsletter, and regards, your name. And I want this email to be sent first, so it's going to be the first email that's sent. So what I will do is I will save and publish, and I will choose nothing before this email, so it's going to be the first one, and there is no delay. So once they subscribe, they will receive this email immediately. If you go back here now, you will see that the new email has been put first, and then the second email is going to be sent as well. So what I will do is I will delay this one by 1 day. So let's delay it. See, this is going to be sent after my welcome email and after 1 day. Perfect. Let's put my name as a sender and save. So now the campaign will start with the welcome, and then 1 day later they will receive the second email, and it goes all the way for the next, in this case, 11 days. Let's go back to the dashboard. Now what I want to do is I want to update the funnel that I created. So automatically when somebody subscribes, they will be part of the campaign. So I will go to the funnel, and I will create an automation rule on the squeeze page. So we don't have any rule yet, so let's create a new one. Add rule, funnel step form subscribe, and we will click on the one that's just created, and we'll add an action I will choose subscribe to campaign. Okay, choose the campaign that we have, save the rule, and now whenever someone subscribe to our funnel, they will immediately be subscribed to the campaign. Next step is to add a tag. It's always good idea to create tags because we can categorize the emails that we have in different tags. So I will create a new tag. I will call it my list. Create new tag, save rule. Now this rule has two actions. So when somebody put their name and email, they will immediately be subscribed to the campaign and they will be assigned a tag. Perfect. Let's go and test this step. So I will open the link. Okay, great. So I will put my name. I created a dummy email, so I will put my name, Adam, and email address that I just created. This is a dummy email, okay? So we can test the whole process. Send me the ebook. So what will happen now is they will be forwarded to the next step, which is the thank you page. Yes. And they should have received the email, but let's check first if the new contact is created. So we'll go to the dashboard. Let's refresh it. The new contact has been created. This is very good. Now check that contact. If you click on the contacts, so this is the contact from yesterday, and this is the new contact. And if you can see, the new contact here has already been assigned a tag. Now let's see if this contact has received any emails. I will go to the campaign. Let's open it, and as you can see, I have one contact at this stage of the campaign, and this contact has received the email already, and it hasn't been opened yet. Now let's check the email that we received. I will go to my inbox and open the email. Now if you go back to the campaign and check it, let's refresh the page. Now as you can see here, after we did refresh, the contact has already opened the email, which is very good. So you'll be able to find out how many emails have been opened from the emails that you sent to your contacts. You can always check the statistics and see how many emails were sent and how many emails were opened, and you can see as well which campaign step and how many emails were sent and how many emails were opened. Now the next step is for us to subscribe the contacts that we did yesterday to the same campaign. All right, so now any new contact will be subscribed automatically, but I want to do the same with the one that we did yesterday. So let's go back to the contacts that we created yesterday. So let's select that contact and click on more actions and add a tag. Okay, I will add the tag, and I will select it again and manually subscribe this contact to the campaign that I have, because you know this is an old contact, right? So let's choose which campaign. I will choose this campaign and subscribe. I will do it from the beginning, so we start the campaign from the beginning. Subscribe. Voila. Now this contact has already been subscribed to the campaign. We can check now if they received the email. Now if we check the campaign, you'll see that we have 2 emails. Let's open the statistics. 2 emails, only one opened, nothing has clicked in the email, no link has been clicked, nothing reported as spam, and nothing bounced. So let's do a quick recap. We reviewed the campaign, we added new email step to the campaign, and we automatically subscribed new leads into the campaign, and we did the same for the old contacts but manually, and we finally checked the campaign statistics. So that's all for today. Please don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with my latest videos. Thank you.